China and Tanzania on Saturday, 4th April, jointly commemorated Chinese experts who sacrificed their lives during the constructions of the Tanzania-Zambia Railway, marking 50 years since the railway's commercial operation began. Dignitaries from both countries gathered at the Chinese expert cemetery in Dar es Salaam, where they solemnly laid wreaths at the graves of the fallen heroes in a gesture of remembrance and respect during the Qingming Festival, a traditional Chinese occasion for paying tributes to the deceased and remembering ancestors. Speaking at the ceremony, Tanzania's Minister of Home Affairs, Petrobras Katambi, hailed the TAZARA Railway as a living testament to South-South cooperation and a symbol of the enduring friendship between Tanzania and China. He emphasized the need to safeguard and modernize the railway as part of its revitalization agenda.
Some of these brave men made the ultimate sacrifice on the Tanzania soil. We honor them not only as skilled professionals, but as enduring symbols of friendship, solidarity, and shared purpose between the peoples of the United Republic of Tanzania and the People's Republic of China. TAZARA is far more as a railway line. It is a historic embodiment of South cooperation as its finest living testament to a relationship built on mutual respect, trust, and shared vision for independence, dignity, and economic transformation.
Chinese ambassador to Tanzania, Chen Mingjiang, noted that more than 50,000 Chinese workers participated in the railway's constructions in the 1970s, with 70 losing their lives in the process.
So far, 70 Chinese experts, technicians, and workers sacrificed their lives on duty and were led to rest here far from their homeland. They are heroes who built such a monument of China-Tanzania and China-African friendship and will live forever in the hearts of the Chinese and Tanzanian people, just like the TAZARA Railway.
Also at the ceremony, Tanzania-Zambia Railway Authority Managing Director Bruno Shin Andu and Tanzania's Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs and East African Cooperation, James Kinyazi Milia, expressed gratitude to China, praising the traditional friendship between the two countries.